What was most exciting, I think, is that we all get to create something together as a collective. I'm not just myself, I don't just have my own style in this project.
Public artwork is very exciting because it's very accessible to anyone walking by, to all walks of life, young, old. It's open to anybody.
So this project is a partnership between Langara College and InTransit. In the course of one academic year, we produced 2 significant artworks for InTransit, which runs a public art program.
The project is 8 feet by 8 feet. It's my first time working at such a big scale. The first thing you have to consider is you need enough space to work on such a big project. You need a big workstation. You need lots of hands to move these pieces around.
It resembles like a real world project, something that we might work on after school is done, working with real world constraints. We got to develop and implement a budget for this project when we were purchasing all our materials, and also working with like a pretty tight timeline of like the 1 semester. So that was really good.
The project management skills that they learn just happens through experiencing the program and experiencing having to make something.
My favorite part of working on this project is being able to exercise skills such as working in a team, delegating tasks, as well as being able to work collaboratively.
They take an idea and a concept from its infancy, from the very beginning, all the way through the 3 major stages. That would be concept proposal, detailed design, and fabrication and installation.
One of the nice things about our program is that it is very flexible in terms of schedule. So you could take classes part-time, and I think what that does is allow for greater accessibility for more people to take the program.
Class sizes are smaller, so you get more one-on-one time with each instructor, which is fantastic because you're able to get good feedback. You meet so many different people in the program.
The program at Langara is very community focused, and it's a really supportive community. So I could feel like I could explore and find my own style.
I came here not knowing what kind of art field I wanted to go to, and I soon discovered that sculpture is the field that I want to go into.
All the works that they produce for the Langara 49th station are automatically put into the public art program that InTransit runs. And then this parallels emerging artists alongside artists who are of international and national standing, who are far more senior in their career. And that proximity, I think, really helps our students in terms of understanding themselves within the art world.